League of Legends is a popular online game, and Christoph Zeitz's life. Better known as N-Rated, he's under contract with SK Gaming. It's one of Europe's top teams. The German player can't say how much he earns, but as a pro gamer, he does well. It's a full-time job with long hours.
I spend between 8 and 12 hours at it most days. Before a major tournament, though, it can get up to 14 or 16 hours. That's when you get the bare minimum of sleep, and you take short breaks to eat. And apart from that, you're playing. You try to get to the point of perfection.
Many players only spend a few years at the very top. Along with team spirit and talent, a pro gamer needs excellent concentration skills and reaction times. That's also what British coach Joe Eluasi is looking for.
It may not sound that hard, but when you're pressing several different buttons at once, there are several different processes going on in your brain, and you've got to do this for a long period of time. So the other thing that you need is a really high concentration level.
In the US, e-games are very popular. The Robert Morris University in Pennsylvania even offers sports scholarships to talented players. The best are celebrated like pop stars. They take part in tournaments with participants from all around the globe. The League of Legends Championship Series is underway right now all around the world. It's the qualifier for the World Championship. Here in Berlin, the 10 best European clans are battling it out. Christoph Zeitz and his international team are also here. Their final briefing. The championship is a matter of prestige, with prize money in the millions. For the team, the tournament is exciting but also stressful. Sports psychologist Lukas Schenke helps them cope with the pressure.
When you win, you analyze what worked. When you lose, you try to figure out why that happened too. So part of my job is helping figure out why things happen in a realistic and objective way. That helps give the players more control over things.
Now the match is just a few seconds away. Here on stage, the members of SK Gaming are giving it their all. They're playing in front of an audience of several hundred fans, but the live stream goes out to hundreds of thousands of viewers.
SK Gaming finished the game decisively. Congratulations, SK.
Christoph Zeitz is basking in the victory, but at 23, he's already one of the older players. He figures his pro career will be over in a year or two. But he's not worried about what the future holds.
I have plenty of options. I could go to university, keep working in the field, or maybe work for a hardware manufacturer. So it's not something I'm giving a lot of thought to right now. What I'm doing now is pretty tough and stressful, so it has to be my focus.
For now, Christoph has his next goal in mind. He's shooting for the World Championship title with his team later this year.
Shift says it's a tough job, but someone's got to do it.